time, when I talk to you, I turn the phone upside down. I must confess to you. When I talk to you, I turn the phone upside down. You should have it in mind that me and Pat forever enmity, forever my feelings. Okay, this profile picture when you put it, they annoy me. You understand? Not like as if I don't have anything against Pat, but I don't also want to have anything with her. It has stayed too long. You can always change your profile picture.
Voice notes Maeble sent to the younger sister that is living in Austria. I don't really understand this Maeble at all, but I'll keep exposing her till she change her ways, because this her life of pretense done too much. She don't to deceive everybody. She dey claim to be sent an angel, but she be devil incarnate. My wonderful people, just listen to this voice notes.
Hello Gina, good morning. Hello Gina, good morning. Sometimes I don't like calling you, or whenever I call you, I turn the phone upside down. Please don't get it twisted. Okay, I am me and I can't continue to hide my feelings. Okay, this profile picture when you put it, they annoy me. You understand? Not like as if I don't have anything against Pat, but I don't also want to have anything with her. It has stayed too long. You can always change your profile picture. Because me, I'm about to block you because I don't want to see her. I don't want to have anything to do with her. When I'm talking to you, you feel like as if the reason why people put profile picture is to see the person you are talking to. I just feel like seeing her Pat and they talk to her. I don't want to see her. I don't want to have anything to do with her. So I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to come in between both of you. But me having to see the profile picture when I want to leave you message, when I want to see you, it's getting too much. You could put your husband or put anything, or does it mean that maybe you love her more than anything? I can understand. I'm not coming in between, okay? But me, I don't want it. Anytime you change your profile picture, I will unblock you. That is if I check it. I'm not interested. All right? I'm so sorry. Maybe the tone might be different, but it has been like disturbing me. Anytime if I call you Pat, since how many months I don't know. Alright? So I'm not asking like you put my profile picture, or so maybe I'm jealous you are not putting my picture. I don't need it. It's not necessary. I'm used to it. I don't need it. It's not, that is not a sign of love. Okay? That is not a sign of love. But I just had to speak my mind, alright? I'm so sorry. Okay, so I was just going to call you and give you information about things, but every time when I talk to you, I turn the phone upside down. I must confess to you. When I talk to you, I turn the phone upside down. You should have it in mind that me and Pat forever enmity, forever and ever. Me and his forever enmity, forever never greet. So anybody that comes into it forever, even Kevin himself, I block that one. I don't want to dine and wine with my enemies. You know what I mean? So I rather live alone and die alone. Okay, so I'm so sorry, dear. I'm going to block you whenever you change your profile picture, and then maybe I can unblock you. If not, I don't want to be seeing her. I don't have any problem with you, but I have problem with her. I don't want to see her. I don't want to have anything to do with her. All right, thank you. Take care.
The time you say my family hates me this much before, I thought I don't know. You know, this trouble has exposed a lot. In the time you see my family, I didn't say a small thing. I didn't say a small thing. Wow. Child. My ear don't fool since this trouble started. My ear don't fool. So be my girl. Tipo, you know me. I'm going to make you jelly. It's big go. Most of anything go. It's not going to me. See family. This is so good. So when you go expose the whole distance. When you go to expose to my family. In the nearest future, very future, when there is opportunity, now we play the audio, the voice recorded of my brothers and my sister. We play the voice of parts, both, and his. We play the audio. They have been recorded and sent to me. Sent to me since over. Before I even destroyed vote page, it was what that made me destroy vote page. Vote.
Before I even destroyed vote page, which is the younger brother. You know, I said it that she posted my nude picture 21 times on the younger brother's page. This is what she just attests to. That before I destroyed his page, his own brother's page, Maeble is heartless.
Both talk like this about me. Hey, see recording. I just woke up this midnight. I decided to listen to the voice notes, the voice recording of all these three people. I'm gonna go there. Anyway, later. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, my wonderful people who keep exposing Maeble, her evil deed. Wait till the family members do one. I don't really understand. Family member connive to deal with you and to do all that. Please tell them the truth. You that is Maeble fan that just listened to this voice message Maeble sends to the younger sister. Use your tongue, cut your teeth. We'll keep exposing her. Share this video. Love still remain a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. As for the haters, una go see cry. Una go cry, tire, una go cry me a river. Bye bye guys.